Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my mini homebody dashboard layout, and I'm going to be using, of course, the new flowers sticker book. I want to start out this video by saying thank you to all of you guys who have joined me in prayer for Gannon. He has been missing 2 weeks as of yesterday. I'm filming this on Tuesday. So hopefully by the time you're watching this, we will have some happy news and Gannon will be returned safely. But we don't have any news as of today. So please just continue to keep Gannon and his family in your prayers. And I also want to say thank you to all of you guys who have sent me messages concerned. I just kind of needed to take a break while I just processed all of this, and I've been trying to spend some time between my husband and I. We've been spending time with Gannon's grandparents and aunts and uncles. So anyways, as you can tell, I have done nothing with my planner, this mini planner anyways, for February. And that's kind of understandable because I just took time off. I did use my Homebody because that is my main planner, but I didn't use any of my other planners. So forgive me for that. But anyways, so this is the week of February 17th through the 23rd that we're planning for now. And I think my camera is crooked. So, and also bear with me while I get kind of back in my groove here. And I actually did have a couple other videos prepared for you guys, but I didn't even upload them. I think I uploaded my mini and my encourager, and then I had my homebody and my wellness filmed, but when I got the news of Gannon, I just shut down. So that's just kind of how I am. Sometimes I just have to shut down and process. So anyways, these are the only stickers that I've pre-chosen, and I kind of want to play off of this yellow. Excuse me. And even though these yellow flowers aren't the same exact yellow, I just kind of want to play off of this one yellow color. So I thought what I would do is just go down the center here with some florals and then just kind of decorate a little bit through my days. I also have this quote that I'm going to put down here in my normal section that says, "Finding joy in my journey." Right now it is kind of hard to find joy in this journey, but I have to trust that God has a plan, and we can't always see the plan, and we can't always see the light at the end of the tunnel when we're going through dark times, but we have to trust the process and trust that He has some good will come out of this. So I think this quote is ideal for me at this time, and for Gannon's family. His mom is still in Colorado, and it's just been a really hard time. So we need to remember to find joy in the journey. So I'm just going to kind of layer all these flowers, cover up my holes, and I'll have to repunch. But let's just see how this turns out doing it this way. So I don't want to do that. Let's go back to my book here. If I can remember where these flowers were, right here. So let's pull a pink one. And we'll put this one down here. This is just going to be like a conglomeration of flowers. So no rhyme or reason to it. Now, which one do I want to use next? I think I'll come down here with this. And let's see. Maybe use, uh-oh, I just ripped my sticker. It's the only thing I don't like about paper stickers. They will rip if you're not careful. Actually, I don't want to do that because I've got this leaf going this direction. I don't want these flowers going that same direction. So let's try to pick something different. How about this one? And we'll put that there. And what next? Okay, maybe this leaf here and just lay it beside that. And then I think I'll come in with another yellow, almost at the bottom here. Maybe this pink one. I'm trying not to hoard the stickers because it's almost time for a new release. Happy Planner usually has new spring releases, and last year they released a ton of new sticker books. So I'm trying to use my stickers and not hoard them all. So let's see, I need maybe one more. Maybe this one. Let's kind of put it down towards the bottom. Okay. All right, so now I just need to cut up the center and repunch, and then we'll continue on. So let me grab my bag here. And I went back to these scissors because I don't know if you remember when I showed you guys I bought these. These things are so heavy and clunky, like, I don't know. They're pretty, but they're not very functional. So I just went back to my Westcott Sam's Club special scissors. They're just easier for me to use. So let's just cut this down the center here, and then I'm going to use my punch. Go ahead and punch out my holes. And I think y'all know that I can't cut or draw in a straight line. So this is probably going to be crooked, but that's okay. All right. So I have my big punch. And what you do with this big punch is you just make sure, like, it's already marked for your big size and your classic size, but there's no marks on it for the mini. So I just kind of line up the existing holes with the punch and then just punch it that way. And it usually works out for me. So let's see. And I moved it as soon as I hit the punch, but that's okay. All right. So now let's keep moving on. Let's put my quote down here in the corner or in the bottom. I don't know, maybe I want to put my quote here under important. I think I do, because I don't have anything to go beside it here. So I think I'm going to put it up here. It just kind of fits in here better. And I'm going to leave important because right now this is important. So we're going to leave that there. Okay. Now the only other thing that I want to do is just put some bullet points in here. So I grabbed this, and this sheet came out of my Joanne Mega sticker book. It just kind of fell apart. So I just grabbed all of my functional stickers out of it. Excuse me. So I'm just going to start putting a couple bullet points. I'm kind of finding that I like the bullet points better than boxes. So, and I may switch up every now and then, but for right now I just kind of want to use bullet points. And I still use dinner plans as dinner plans, and I did cover up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday here, but that's okay. I'll work around that. So what is this on my finger? I don't know. I'm just going to put two bullet points on each day, and then probably just call this spread done. So let's just see how it turns out as I do this. And then the last time that I uploaded, I think I mentioned to you guys that I was going to show you how to do a DIY sticker book to combine like multiple sticker books into one, kind of like I did for my flowers, fun florals. I will still be doing that video in the next week or two. I haven't forgotten about it. Excuse me. I don't know what's wrong with my voice today. So I hope you guys have had a good couple weeks since I've been gone. You guys are the sweetest, because I've had multiple messages of you guys just concerned about me because I did kind of drop off the radar. But that's just kind of how, like, my closest friends, they know that that's how I am. I do struggle with anxiety and depression, so sometimes I just need to retreat and I guess maybe compose myself. I just need a break. So my closest friends know that. They don't take it personally, and hopefully you guys can understand. I'm sure there are some of you out there who are the same way. But as I get older, I realize that that's just how I am. So if that happens in the future, then you'll know that it's nothing personal, and I'll be back. I just kind of need to take a little break. All right, so this is a whole lot of yellow on this page, but I think it's cute. Gosh, excuse me. So let's put it back in my planner. Oh, and you guys probably already noticed, I forgot to mention that my mini did get a new outfit. So I ordered 2 deluxe covers from Zulily, and they came in. So this is the rose gold, and I really like it because it has this lavender color in it. And then I also got the hot pink one that says Hustle on the front, and I got it because it has black and white polka dots. But anyways, that was just a side note. So here's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications when I upload. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.